Problem number 6. So several problems, the past several problems are similar to each other. So that's to give you most of the common patterns that are used in contest problems. So this one is for factorials. This exclamation mark is n factorial. If you are not familiar, it's just a product of numbers from 1 to n. And how do you simplify this expression? So always look at the general term. What's the general term? What's the pattern? It's n multiplied by n factorial. So we are doing sums of n multiplied by n factorial. And to simplify, it's not very easy to simplify, but from the previous problems, you can see that you can rewrite this expression in some way. So it becomes much easier to deal with, right? So this is one of the common expressions. This is in fact something very interesting. Let me write it as n plus 1 minus 1, like this, multiplied by n factorial. So that's a 0, right? And if I open the parentheses and multiply it to n plus 1 and then minus 1, so I get n plus 1 multiplied by n factorial minus n factorial. What does it give to me? So this is n factorial multiplied by n. So it's like 5 factorial multiplied by 6. What is this number? It's like product of numbers from 1 to 5 and then 6. That's just 6 factorial. So that's like n plus 1 factorial minus n factorial. So as you can see, n times n factorial is the difference of two consecutive factorials. So going back to my original problem, that makes my problem very easy. So what's the first term? That's 2 factorial minus 1 factorial, right? And plus, what is the second term? It's 3 factorial minus 2 factorial. I'm writing it in column so you can see better the pattern. So this is 3 factorial minus 4 factorial minus 3 factorial plus, and then you will get 5 factorial minus 4 factorial plus, and so on, up to 2021 factorial minus 2020 factorial. So what is this sum? That's equal to, as you can see, this 2 factorial and then this 2 factorial becomes 0, this one and this one 0, 4 factorial 0, and this one goes like, and so on. 2020 factorial cancels out with 2020 factorial. The only two terms that you are left is this one and this one. So the result is 2021 factorial minus 1. So if you simplify this expression, that's equal to 2021 factorial minus 1. And we are getting to that simplification using this identity n times n factorial is the difference of two consecutive factorials.